Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. I've been asked to have a look at this Vaillant and it's got a F72 on it. Now we've got no heating on hot water. I'm gonna try and reset it first. Now before I do that, I'm gonna do a visual inspection on it on the internal, just in case there's any leaks or any obvious faults on it. It looks fine, it looks right, brand new, brand spanking new. So obviously I'm gonna try and reset it now and then see what happens to it. Now I reset the boiler. I got rid of the F72, but now I realize the pump, I can't hear the pump circulating or even feel the pump doing anything. And the red light on it is flashing. So that just tells me the pump is seized. Now that's covered under the warranty. Hopefully Vaillant will come out and sort that out. Hi guys, I'm just doing a diagnosis on a Vaillant boiler. It's one of those pure fit, one of the new models. It's a combi boiler, Vaillant pure fit. Right, it's only 1 year old, and the customer said to me that they wouldn't cover it on warranty. So anyway, I checked it out. The code F72 was on there. Sorry, F72 was on there. So anyway, I reset the boiler and F72 cleared. Then after that, F75 started happening. So I checked it all out. F75 normally more means that low water pressure or water pressure sensor or the pump. So I checked the pump out and the pump was seized. Red light was flashing on it, just permanently on it. So the pump was seized. Now these grandfather pumps are normally solid. They don't break down unless you put a brick through it. So I don't know, it was a bit, bit of a surprise to me basically. Anyway, I found a Vaillant and they said, listen, it should be covered on warranty. So went to the customer services and they said, yeah, it should be covered under warranty. So they can send somebody out and repair the boiler for them, change the pump for them. So that's amazing. That's good. That is. If you phone up the manufacturer and you got F72 code in there, they won't cover you under warranty. But even though the F72 could be related to the pump not circulating the water around, so F72 is flow and return sensors. But if your pump's broken down, then obviously your flow and return sensors could trip. So anyway, you could reset it and then see how it goes. And if the F75 comes up, then you've covered the warranty. But remember, your system has to be cleaned and sludge has to be removed. If your boiler is full of sludge, they're not going to cover it. It's a business at the end of the day. But Vaillant are amazing. The engineers there are amazing, so they'll come out and sort it out for them. Hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. Till next time, keep smiling, stay positive. Birmingham Solihull.